Good morning.
Morning, sir. I'm Charmaine Presentacion. I'm 23 years old. I have one child. I am single. I am a high school graduate. I have worked here in Philippines as of 2012 to 2016
And you work as a...
as a domestic helper.
Okay, can you tell me exactly when in 2012 did you start working?
It started in July 7, 2012 to January 31, 2016.
Okay, so you worked for 3 years and 6 months.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how many were there in the family?
There are 5 in the family.
Okay, who are they?
Madam, sir, and 3 children.
And can you tell me the age of their children?
The eldest is 10 years old, second one is 13, and the
Youngest?
youngest is 5 years old.
Okay, the eldest is 13, 10, and 5. Okay. And you're the one taking care of the kids?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me your other duties?
My duties are cooking, marketing, cleaning, washing clothes, and ironing clothes.
Okay. And you mentioned that you have one son or daughter?
Son, sir.
Okay, and how old is your son?
Turning to 2 years old, sir.
Turning 2 years old. Okay. And who will take care of your son when you work in Hong Kong?
My auntie will take care of my son while I'm in Hong Kong.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money to support my son.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby or children in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of big dogs?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And can you sing one children's song?
Yes, sir.
Please start.
I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Fold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
And what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please select me as your helper because I am loyal, hardworking, and I can do my best as I can.
Thank you very much, Charmaine Presentacion, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.